There's probably some areas that we changed maybe 3 or 4 times, and sometimes we go back to the original idea because we realized that was really the best.
From the Workspace Solutions files, Pace Chevrolet in Huntington.
We worked with Workspace Solutions in a remodel of our accounting office at the Chevrolet building.
When Nancy called from Pace Chevrolet, they had an accounting office that needed organized. They needed some Workspace Solutions. When we get a call, one of the first things we like to do is get back with the customer right away as soon as we can. Set up an appointment to initially talk over what the project is and find out exactly what the customer's needs are. First time we met, went over the blueprints and to see what the space requirements are that they had and what type of furniture, what type of look they wanted to achieve.
I know that Mike had called the architect and I think also the electrical engineer to just confer on some design questions and to make sure that what he was proposing was going to work with the building design.
A lot of times the customer may have an idea of what they want and don't know if it's possible or exactly how to convey that idea. By designing on our computer software, we can kind of give them an idea, a 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional drawing, and then from there we can kind of refine it with the style or the type of furniture, the type of look that they want it to have, the different colors, the finishes, and really come up with a solution that's right for them.
We kind of let him go from the floor plan first and come up with his ideas, and then we looked it over and tossed in more suggestions and different ideas. If he thought it was a bad idea up front because of design, he would point that out, but otherwise he would just take it back and rework it and see how it came out, if it was going to fit, and if we liked the way it looked after he redesigned it.
In the course of most projects, to get the most complete solution for the customer, we do have to many times go back and redesign or change a few things. Yes, it is. One thing that we have an advantage, I think, is that we work with more than one manufacturer. We work with several different manufacturers, and that allows us to really bring in the key parts or items that a particular manufacturer has to offer that fit the key needs for the customer. We pulled together really about 4 different manufacturers and pulled together the key parts that would fit from each of those lines into one package or one solution.
I love it. It's really pretty. So yes, we have had a lot of compliments on it. The price was very competitive and we felt comfortable working with their company, that they'd be able to handle anything we had here and make design changes, and it was a big project, so that was real important.
Well, it makes me feel good that I can develop a relationship with a customer, that they can trust me and trust Workspace Solutions to deliver a product and level of service that they feel comfortable with.
I'd definitely call them if I had another project, and I'd recommend them to anyone that asks.